time for your psychic sneak peek. Today we're using the Pandora's box of cards oracle deck that I created, and we're going to see what you need to know right now. And it feels like it's this one. Oh, this is a good reminder today. Tend to your garden. Pull the weeds. Now, in this moment, I feel like this garden, this is your mind. These are your thoughts. And the weeds are the negative thoughts. The flowers are the ones that you want to cultivate. You want to take care of them so that you can have this happy, wonderful energy like the woman on the card. But if you are allowing the weeds to grow and those negative thoughts to tangle up in your mind and to tell you stories, negative thoughts, things that are not real about you, illusions, that's when you know you got to pull them out because you need to make space for the good thoughts to grow. So positive thinking, release the negative, cut them out, yank them out. Because if you've ever weeded an actual garden, sometimes those weeds are very hard to pull. They have very strong roots. So this tells me that you may have been saying some really negative, really tough things about yourself for a really long time. So roll up your sleeves, do the work today, pull out those weeds in your mind, cultivate the positive sayings, and maybe a positive affirmation or two. Try it out. Let me know. Do you have weeds to pull? Was it a quick or easy process, or were there a couple that were really stuck in there? Leave a comment.